My dear students, I welcome you to today's lecture and I hope that you are all well. We are doing chapter number 7, FSC Part 1, Inter Part 1, Mathematics. The chapter name is Permutation, Combination and Probability, and we are doing its exercise. This is 7.5, examples and the questions. Today I will discuss some definitions which are very, very important in doing questions. So, what is a sample space? Okay, the first one is, what is sample space? Right? What is sample space? Sample space actually is the collection of all outcomes of an experiment. Okay, right? So it is denoted as S or the sample space containing contains all possible outcomes of an event, right? All possible, right? It is denoted as S. As S. Okay, yes, we have studied in sets the universal set, okay? So which contains all sets of one type. So here the word sample space is used instead of universal set in sets. Right, then comes the event. Event, right. Okay. So event relates to set of particular a set of particular outcomes is called an event. Suppose a dice rolled once. So S, the sample space, is all possible outcomes. Either one come, two, three, four, five, and six. Okay, let the event A in. Odd number appears. Odd number appears. Right? So A is the event, particular, right? Outcomes. Particular outcomes are 1, 3, and 5. Right? So this is the example of sample space, and this is the example of event. Now comes mutually exclusive events. Number 3. Mutually exclusive events. Right. Mutually exclusive are the events, suppose two events. So two events, suppose E1 and E2. E2 are said to be mutually exclusive events mutually exclusive if occurrence or non-occurrence of one event one event does not affect the occurrence and non-occurrence of occurrence or non-occurrence of second event, okay, of second event or the other event. Right. Suppose E1 is okay. For example, one dice roll. For example, one dice rolled and S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. E1 equals to 2, 4, 6. Right, E1, E1, okay, this. And there is on another S or another sample space, S is a coin is tossed and E2 is equals to H, the head, okay. So you can see that these two events are called mutually exclusive events because the occurrence and non-occurrence of one event does not affect the other, or vice versa. Come number 4, the definition, probability. Right, the probability is the chances of occurrence. The word chance is used. The numerical evaluation of chance that a particular event occur. A particular event occur is called probability. It's called probability. Simple, right? So if suppose S equals to head HT, head and tail, so NS equals to 2. 2. Suppose an event E equals to T only, the tail occurs, and T equals to 1. There's one element only. So probability of E, the event that a tail occurs or tail appears, equals to NT, or an event, E divided by NS, equals to 1/2. This is the answer. Keep one thing in your mind, that the probability of any event is less than or equals to 1. It will never come more than 1. Okay. Okay, right. Number 5. Okay, here comes number 5. Left. A die is rolled. What is the probability that the toss are greater than 4? Okay. A die is rolled. If nothing is written, it means it is once. What is the probability of uh, getting dots on the top are greater than 4? Then 4. Is that okay? So now just we have to do two things, sorry. Number one, the sample. So S equals to, because one die is rolled and that die is rolled once only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these dots may appear. Okay, so NS equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and event is greater than 4. Okay, so greater than 4 are 5 and 6 only, and this is equals to, so NE equals to, so number of the points in event E are 2 only. So therefore, probability of E equals to NE divided by NS, which is equals to, NE is 2/6, which is equals to 1/3. So I have told you that the probability will come only less than 1. Okay, if it is greater than 1, it means that our solution is wrong. What is the probability of getting, sometimes the statement of the questions are longer than the solution. Okay, what is the probability that a slip of numbers divisible by 4 numbers divisible by 4 are picked from the slips, picked from the numbers, from the numbers 1, 2 up till 10. Right? So this is, first of all, we have to write the sample space. So S equals to 1, 2, 3, up till 10. Okay, all numbers are there. So it is obvious that number of points in sample space are 10. So there are 10 slips. Okay. Now we want to pick a slip divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. So equals to 4 and 8 only. Okay. 4 and 8. So this is E. So N of E equals to, means the number of points that comes in E are 2, only 2. So therefore, probability of E, or probability of getting a slip of number which is divisible by 4 is NE divided by NS, which is equals to 2 out of 10 or 1 out of 5, 0.2. Okay. So you can observe that this value is also less than 1, 0.5, sorry, 0.2. I hope you understand these topics well. And inshallah ta'ala, on the insist of some of my old students, I will start the statistics of first year as well, just after finishing the mathematics of first year. Right. Uh, if you don't understand anything or if you have some doubts, so please message me on the WhatsApp number I have given on the thumbnail of every video. And if you want to pass on some suggestions, you may pass on the suggestion on the same number. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button so that you may get the notification of newly uploaded videos in time. Please share my videos. Please tell the others to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much. Allah aapka हामी nasir ho.